The 2025 Dodge Dart GT redefines the compact performance sedan, blending aggressive styling with cutting-edge technology and a refined driving experience. Dodge, known for its muscle car heritage, has revived the Dart nameplate with a modern twist, catering to enthusiasts who crave both efficiency and excitement in a daily driver. Under the hood, the Dart GT packs a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, delivering an impressive 270 horsepower and 285 lb-ft of torque. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or an optional 8-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain ensures a thrilling ride while maintaining fuel efficiency. The exterior of the Dart GT is a bold statement of modern Dodge design. A redesigned front fascia features an aggressive honeycomb grille with LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the sleek body lines. A sculpted hood with subtle vents hints at the performance lurking beneath, while the widened stance gives the Dart GT a more commanding road presence. The available color palette includes striking options like Destroyer Gray, Octane Red, and the new Sublime Green, bringing back classic Mopar hues with a contemporary twist. Dual exhaust tips and a rear diffuser complete the athletic look, ensuring the Dart GT turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and the 2025 Dart GT offers a driver-focused cockpit designed for both comfort and engagement. Sport bucket seats with Alcantara inserts provide excellent support during spirited driving, while red contrast stitching and carbon fiber trim accents add a touch of performance flair. The centerpiece of the interior is the 10.1-inch Uconnect infotainment system, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, and an available Harman Kardon premium audio system. A customizable digital gauge cluster offers real-time performance data, including a G-force meter and lap timer, making it clear that this compact sedan is built for more than just commuting. Dodge has also prioritized advanced safety and driver assistance features in the Dart GT. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. An available performance handling package adds upgraded Brembo brakes, a sport-tuned suspension, and a limited slip differential, ensuring the Dart GT remains planted through tight corners. For those seeking an extra level of excitement, an optional track mode enhances throttle response, tightens steering, and adjusts stability control settings for an even more engaging drive. While the 2025 Dart GT brings modern technology and efficiency to the table, it stays true to Dodge's performance DNA. With its powerful turbocharged engine, aggressive styling, and track-capable handling, it bridges the gap between practicality and exhilaration. The revival of the Dart GT signals Dodge's commitment to offering performance-oriented vehicles beyond its traditional muscle car lineup. Whether carving through winding roads or making a bold statement in the city, the 2025 Dodge Dart GT delivers a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined.